Hey guys! It's your girl Cheska and welcome to my channel! This video is all about room makeover, and so I will be sharing with you guys basically what we were doing to beautify. Basta para maayos at mapaganda tong kwarto. I am working from home, so I need to have like a bedroom / office kind of setup. And here we are. Unti-unti nating i-achieve yon. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos every week. And without further ado, if you would like to see the first part of our room makeover, keep on watching and let's get started! So, ayusin namin yung kwarto. We've actually done so much already. The walls are painted gray, pero hindi pa siya tapos. And we had new plans. Pa para mas mapaganda tong kwarto. So, ito yung first part. I will be sharing with you guys whatever we can kung ano yung magagawa namin today. I will be showing to you guys the rest of our rooms. Kailangan namin ng mas magandang cabinet, mas malaki, mas mataas, so we can store more. So, ayun yung dati kong chair before I bought this gaming chair, which I really love. And yun yung table. Makeup table ko sana yan eh. But then, mas kailangan ko siya for that. Kaya hindi siya focus. So, may aircon tayo dyan and that needs to be replaced as well or fixed yung masking tape na yan. This is my workstation. So, kailangan ayusin yan. Yan. And then, dito yung TV. And then, storage rack yan na nabili ko sa Shopee. Hindi ko napapakita because it's a mess in there. And then, this door needs to be replaced as well dahil sira na yan. And then, this floor, lalagyan namin yan ng floor stickers para mas social tingnan. We started off by cleaning this side of the room. So, inalis muna namin yung mga gamit. And then, from purple, pininturahan namin siya to gray para mas maaliwalas, malinis, at maliwanag.
3 hours later.
And we're done dito sa wall na to. So, nakabit na yung monitor, yung electric fan, at nabalik na rin yung iba kong gamit. And then, pinalipat ko yung sabitan ng curtain rod. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. Anyway, ayan. Kasi masyado siyang mataas doon. So, balik siya dyan.
A few moments later.
So, ayan na nga. Tapos na. Nilagyan na lang namin ng karton yung butas. Pansamantagal. Mas maganda siya kaysa kanina. So, anong masasabi mo, B?
Okay lang.
Ano okay lang? Kasi ako marikit. Lo. Saan tayo next? B! I'm talking to you.
Puti naman, puti.
Saan?
Dito.
Okay. Nasabi ko nga kanina na pininturahan namin to ng gray from purple. And now we're painting it white because I have a plan for this wall specifically. So, don't miss that out. At dahil na-bored ako at wala akong magawa, tumulong na din ako sa mga boys. So, tinakpan ko ng tape yung power outlet and then ako na yung nagpintura ng mga sulok-sulok at yung mga hindi naabot ng roller para mas mabilis kaming matapos. Iniwan ko muna yung paint ng pinto kasi ayusin pa yan. Tatakpan yung butas and everything. So, ayan. Sa second coating naman, syempre yung boys na doon. Si Tonton sa taas bilang siya yung pinakamatangkad. Ako naman balik sa pagiging supervisor at taga-utos. And by the way, yung white and gray paint na ginamit namin, both from rain or shine, and ang maganda doon, wala siyang amoy and mabilis siyang matuyo. I know hindi perfect yung pagpipintura, but we're planning to repaint yung side ng wall na may cortina. Pero last na yan sa priorities namin. So, okay na muna yan sa ngayon. So, ayun na po. Malapit na. Shoutout sa 2 boys. Good job, guys.
One eternity later.
Tapos na po. Say ay tonton. Ayan. Yung ating cabinet na, basta, pambansang drawer ng Pilipinas. Hindi! Euratex ba yun?
Euratex yan.
Oo. Basta yun, yung pink po, kailangan namin palitan. Anyway. Kung may umabol pa, yung ating floor stickers, andito. Ang bigat! Ito yung floor stickers. Sa Shopee ko ito binili. Diniliver ng gabi. Hindi ko na ito in-expect. Okay guys, so ang nagustuhan ko dito sa floor stickers na to, hindi siya mukhang 50 pesos. At in fairness, makapit siya, madikit siya. Pero ang downside lang nun is that pag nadikit mo siya, dun na siya. Pag nagkamali ka at tinry mong alisin ulit, may chance na masira na siya. So, if you're planning to get this, I think it's worth it. At malaki yung naging impact niya sa pagpapaganda or pag-aayos nitong room. So, yeah. Ayun, bitin ko ang aming floor stickers. Naubos yung 30. So, kailangan bumili ulit sa Shopee. Tapusin na namin to.
So, yan po siya. Pinapos po eh. Check na check.
Day 2.
And yes, may bago ding kama. It's a twin-sized bed from Foam. At since wala pang bedsheet, ilalagay ko muna tong favorite kong comfort sheet. So, yeah. So guys, this is where the fun part started. Madami akong nakitang geometric walls online at nagustuhan ko. So I decided to make my own layout. And then, si Eugene, si Jowaers na yung naglagay ng tape sa wall based dun sa layout na ginawa ko. Which turned out, malalaman niyo mamaya. So, depende sa laki ng wall, pero yung sa amin, inabot kami ng more or less 1 hour para ilagay lang yung tape. Which, by the way, nakaubos kami ng 2 to 3 rolls ng masking tape. Tsagaan talaga sa paggawa, guys.
Tapos na po yung ayun na, nakikita niya. Tapos, pintura na. Let's go!
And if you guys are wondering kung anong kulay yung ginamit namin dito, meron kaming black and gray paint. So, hinalo lang namin yun. Actually, si Jowaers, idea niya yun. But, I loved it anyway. So, yun yung naging third color namin para dito sa geometric wall. And as expected, nagtagal nga kami sa pagpipintura nitong geometric wall since 3 kulay nga yung ginamit namin. Nagtatalo pa kami kung saan namin ilalagay yung mga kulay para hindi magtabi-tabi as much as possible. But we're just so happy that it turned out really well. We're proud of ourselves. May kanya-kanya kaming trademark dyan sa geometric wall na yan. Kahit matrabaho siya at mahirap siyang gawin, I think it's worth it and we loved it anyway.
3 hours later.
9:30 na po. At katatapos lang po namin.
Mag-paint at...
So, tatanggalin na po namin yung masking tape.
Let's start! So, bago namin alisin yung tape, dapat pala hintayin mo muna siyang matuyo. Almost dry na dapat yung paint bago mo siya alisin. Kasi kung hindi, pwedeng matuklap yung ibang part na walang tape. And guys, I would like to thank all of you for joining me on my premiere dun sa One Product Makeup Challenge. And a big shout out to Ate Med's Kitchen for being the super chatter of that premiere. And hi to Ate Angeline Valiente Alburo. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Mwah. Day 2.
Day 2.
Ito na yung aming geometric wall. Ayan, big shout out to Tonton for helping us. Thank you so much. Ayun na nga guys, if you like this video, give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos every week. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!